enthusiast. Have you ever wondered if managing multiple jobs could be your golden ticket to success or one-way ticket to burnout city? Today, we are diving into the moonlighting debate of 2024. Is it a jackpot or just pain jarring? Stick around to find out. Welcome back to Programming Hub, your go-to source for everything tech and programming. In today's video, we are tackling the hot topic of moonlighting. With remote work on the rise, more and more professionals are taking on side gigs or second jobs. But is this trend a blessing or a curse? Let's dig in and see. Alright, let's start with the good stuff. Moonlighting has several perks. Extra income. Who doesn't love a little extra cash? Whether you're paying off those pesky student loans or saving up for your dream vacation, an extra job can give your bank account a nice boost. For instance, a software developer might pick up a freelance web design gig to pad their wallet. Skill enhancement. Moonlighting can help you develop new skills that your day job just doesn't cover. For example, a data analyst might moonlight as a content writer, sharpening those all-important communication skills. It's just becoming a Swiss Army knife of the workforce. Networking opportunities. Working in different environments means meeting new people and expanding your professional network. It's like professional socializing with a side of extra cash. Imagine a marketer who dabbles in graphic design on the side. They could end up collaborating with creatives or even landing new job offers. Let's take a real-world example. Take Jane, a full-time software engineer who also freelances as a graphic designer. By moonlighting, she is not only boosting her income but also building a diverse portfolio that makes future employees go, wow. Plus, it keeps her creativity flowing and breaks the monotony of her day job. But hold on, horses. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. Moonlighting has its dark side too. Burnout risk. Juggling multiple jobs can lead to physical and mental exhaustion. Picture this: coding all day and then pulling another shift at night. It's like signing up for a burnout marathon. Studies show that working over 50 hours a week can crank up stress levels and tank your productivity. Moonlighting is an interesting concept to explore, but why burn yourself out when you can take a video course from basic to advanced in Python and land a high-paying job? Use our code PHSubscriber and get a flat 25% discount. Course link is in the description below. Conflict of interest. Your side gig might clash with your main job interests, leading to potential ethical dilemmas or even job loss. For example, working for a tech company and taking on a project for a competitor. That's a recipe for disaster. Time management challenges. Balancing multiple responsibilities can be like walking a tightrope. It's crucial to ensure your primary job doesn't suffer. Poor time management can lead to missed deadlines and work that's, well, not your best. Let's take a real-world example. Meet John, a digital marketer who took on a side job as a social media manager. At first, it was smooth sailing. But soon, he found himself burning the midnight oil and working weekends. His primary job performance nosedived and he struggled to keep up with both roles. Eventually, he had to drop the side gig to save his sanity and job. Practical tips for successful moonlighting. So, if you are thinking about moonlighting, here are some tips to make it work. Set your boundaries. Keep your jobs separate and don't let one spill over into the other. Time management. Use tools and strategies to manage your time effectively. A planner can be your best friend. Self-care. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Burnout is real, folks. Focus on complementary skills. Choose side gigs that enhance your primary job skills. Legal and ethical considerations. Now, let's talk about the legal and ethical aspects of moonlighting. Employment contracts. Check your contract for any moonlighting clauses. Some companies have strict no moonlighting policies, while others are more lenient with prior approval. Non-compete agreements. Be mindful of any non-compete clauses that might restrict you from working with competitors or in similar industries. Intellectual property. Make sure your side job doesn't infringe on your main employer's intellectual property. Keep your work for different jobs separate to avoid any legal headaches. In conclusion, moonlighting can be a double-edged sword. It offers financial benefits and skill enhancement but comes with risks of burnout and potential conflicts. It's all about finding the right balance and ensuring that your primary job remains unaffected. If managed well, moonlighting can be a great way to diversify your experience and income. Thank you for watching. If you found out this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video. And remember, don't forget to check out our Python course. Link in the description below. Happy moonlighting!